on any normal planet, the following headline would make any kind of market, stock market, explode. In this case, I'm talking about the crypto market. Just to show you how news means absolutely nothing. And typically it's news that drives any market. Hey, Tesla came out and made way more money in the third quarter than we thought. Tesla's shares skyrocket. Hey, Tesla looks like some bad news is coming. Tesla's shares go down. Dow Jones rallies. Dow Jones back down. Bad news. Crypto market doesn't seem to matter. Well, wait till the backed exchange. When backed exchange goes live, then blah, blah, blah. Or wait till this ETF, or wait till that. Or I get it. And it makes sense that it should. Yeah, that'd be great news. Yeah. If this isn't phenomenal news and the market's doing absolutely nothing about it, I don't know what is. Trustnodes.com. Switzerland's biggest online retailer starts accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, BNB, and even OMG. BNB is in Binance token? Not the, whatever. And even OMG. You down with OMG? Yeah, you know me. Whatever crypto you have, we'll take. Seems to be the message of Switzerland's biggest online retailer with yearly revenue of $1 billion, and that is Digitech Galaxus. They receive Swiss francs at their end with the conversion handled by Coinify. But if you want to spend circa $200 worth of Swiss francs for their 2.7 million products, you can now pay with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and they even said comma BSV. So maybe that's the other Bitcoin Cash. Ethereum, because there's a comma after that Bitcoin Cash, but whatever. Ethereum, Ripple, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Tron, Neo, or OMISA Go. Oh, it's interesting. They didn't say that up in the title. They must have missed a couple. Why they have this $200 minimum prior to allow crypto payments isn't very clear, but they don't charge any fees on their end. Coinify charges a fee of 1.5% of the purchase price via the conversion rate, they say. Cryptocurrencies are fascinating and likely to become relevant in e-commerce. We want to support this development, says Oliver Heron, CIO and co-founder of Digitech Galaxus. And he further adds, we've been wanting to do this for ages, but the effort it would have required has always been too big. Now we found a simple solution with DataTrans and Coinify. So a little bit more to this. Wait a minute. Coinbase Commerce has a plugin-like option which merchants can utilize to accept cryptos, with BitPay likewise offering sort of the same, but Coinify appears to offer far more cryptos. BitPay still has only 2, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Oh, Bitcoin Cash, you don't say. Coinbase has a little bit more, like Litecoin and perhaps even Ripple. The commerce aspect integrates with their exchange, blah, 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 blah. The main point of this video, this is a $1 billion a year company, online huge retailer. We are now going to accept crypto. Hello, hey everybody, dinner bell, ding, 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 ding. Cricket, chirp, 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 cricket, chirp, chirp, what? Let's look at the market. Let's just take a little quick look, shall we? Bitcoin is the same it's been. It's been going sideways basically all day. And again, if you follow it back for a few more days anyways, I mean, look, I'm back to the 9th. Very little movement. We had this little bit of pump, but this was on the 16th. This news is now. Today's the 19th. Yeah, what was this? When was this published? March 19th, 1:57 p.m. today. So that would be over at 17th, 18th, 19th in here. There's literally no movement. Bitcoin Cash, none of them. They're all flat. Everything is flat. Flat, don't do it. So that doesn't make me all of a sudden sad about crypto, by the way. Oh no, we've got to get on crypto. It's not going to be anything. That doesn't do that to me. It goes to show you the news about crypto, honestly, news about anything is a joke. Oh, Dow Jones rallies, Tesla stock rallies. Really? Is that really what's happening? Or is that just an excuse to do a pump and dump on any market including the Dow Jones or Tesla stock or this stock or that stock or whatever. The news is nothing but garbage. Oh, everybody rallied. We had the best year, honestly, to date last year, 2018, as far as news, positive news for cryptocurrencies, the whole entire market. In the entire year, the prices of pretty much all of them, okay, pretty much all crypto, down, down, down. I think we bottomed. No, we haven't. Down more, down more. We must have bottomed now. Yeah, I think you're right. Sideways, sideways. Down. November to December. Oh my God, down. 50% of the market's practically wiped out. $6,000 Bitcoin, 3,100. Have a nice day. Now here we are in March, the next year. Bitcoin has, kicked and screamed and clawed its way to 4,000. But again, that's a far cry from 6,000, where it was just out in November, right? This is phenomenal news. I'm not going to say it's an Amazon kind of news. Amazon takes crypto, breaking news. No, I'm not saying that. But this is the biggest retailer in that side of the world, online retailer, who just made a major announcement, and the market didn't even kind of care. What does that tell you? You remember when I used to show you, and early 2017, I'd say, look at CoinMarketCap, look at the volume, look at all this stuff. And I'd zoom in, I'm like, look at all of a sudden around, what was it, April or so, April, May of 2017, all of a sudden this interesting volume comes in, buying volume, by the way, pushing the market up. And I said, this was not just people deciding, I think I want crypto. I said, there's no way this is what that was. This was some entity, something big coming in and gobbling up freaking everything. I said, look at shit coins you never heard of, coins on page 3 of market cap, which means rank 300 or whatever, 300 to 400 on CoinMarketCap, which means it's a coin you're never going to look at. Go to page 4. Go to page 5. Take a look. Volume hit everything. Well, everything went up. Something big did that. And that's why I said, I think that same something big pulled out in December of 2017. Yeah, Bitcoin and the market has cycles. I get it. But I thought to myself, and this is possible in all markets, to be honest with you, is this entity or entities or whatever these things are behind the scenes that can move markets and any market they want? Is it like their job to make, oh, look, we got a full, complete market cycle, guys. Hey, look, we've got marching shoulders and the, soldiers and the three top higher highs in the volume and edge of green candles. Yeah. Oh, look, we got a forming descending bearish wedge. We got a bull flag. And all it is somebody manipulating the whole damn thing. And I mean every market. I'm not talking about crypto only. So that sometimes you get it right. You follow the rules. You studied well, my son. That is a bearish flag. Except this time, we're going to make it go rally. And then everyone says, you suck. Your TA sucks. I'm following this guy. He said it was going to go down, and he was right. I'm following him now. He gets a couple right, following the same kind of rules and procedures of, when it comes to charting stuff, technical analysis. He gets a couple right. Yeah, I'm going to follow him. Then you get wrecked because he misses one. You suck. I'm going back. Oh, the other guy, while I was over here, he was getting him right too. I'm going back over to this guy. I tell you, I see it every single time on TradingView.com, TradingView.com. Back and forth. No one can just say, you know what? No one's going to be right all the time. Some of these guys are going to make mistakes, but they know what the hell they're talking about, so I'll just listen to them all. Kind of a thing. I don't say that I'm, going to be right or I've always been right. No, the hell I have not. None of us are. But you should look at this today. Unbelievable good news. This isn't, this is a major retailer. We accept cryptos now. When people start checking out online, what's that? Bitcoin, Litecoin, what is that? I can pay with that. What the hell is that? Maybe they haven't heard of it. I'm going to go look it up. What is that? Oh, I'm going to get some of those things. Market isn't even kind of moving. So this is also another reason why people who call the bottom, oh, we bottom. Never say never in crypto. Yes, we might have bottoms, sure. We won't know till we really get going again. But you can never say that honestly in any market. I don't care who the people. Oh, I've been doing this for 10 years. I've been doing it for 15 years. So what? Are you telling me you've had 100% accuracy in 10 or 15 years of trading whatever it is you traded before? Well, no, of course not. I missed some things. Therefore, anyone who says we've bottomed with absolute certainty, I wouldn't listen to them. Or, this is the top, this is the top. How do you know? All right. Did anyone see Litecoin in December 2017 going from $100? First of all, I'm out here calling it with Cliff High because of his data. Guys, $42 Litecoin, 38 is bouncing around all over the place. $42 roughly. Guys, get your Litecoin. I'm telling you, it's going to go triple digits. Cliff, I've talked to him about it. He's got his data. He's convinced. I'm convinced. Get your Litecoin. It's never going to triple digits anytime soon, J-Snip. You're an idiot. Okay. And Cliff High, you're even more of an idiot, is what they said. You know, because it's his data. And what did he say? About halfway through the year, we weren't at triple digits, but maybe we were around 60 or 70. I don't know. Boy, I cannot wait, is what he said, till around Christmas time. So these people will just leave me the hell alone about this triple digit. So it'll finally happen. They can just shut up and leave me alone. He actually had to come out and say that because he'd had enough. And I took a beating too because I'm packing the guy. I believe in him. I've watched his webbots call incredible things. It was already on a roll that year with all kinds of crypto stuff. Hell yeah, I'm going to listen to it. It just made me $6 Veritasium to $120 Veritasium. I put a freaking huge down payment on a house. Hell yeah, I'm going to listen to that thing. You kidding me? What happens around Christmas time? 80, not even before that. As we're getting out of the end of November, 70, 80, 90. Oh my God, we just hit $100, triple digits. Wow, guys, and we're not even at Christmas time yet. We're close, but not quite. We've already hit triple digits. Imagine that. At that point, did anybody think within a matter of days, honestly, days, a week, whatever, we're going to 300 on Coinbase, 300, actually Coinbase I think was 420 or 4 something. On the other exchanges, you know, again, you could 360, 372, whatever, okay? 370, we'll just round it. Did anybody think within days, Litecoin, and these other coins were going crazy too, would go not just triple digits, it already did, triple digits times 3. 100 times 3, $300 plus. No, not that fast. But it happened. So, never think you're going to call the top perfectly all the time. Never think you're going to call the bottom perfectly all the time. I'm looking at, I'll do it real quick. BitMEX shorts versus longs. Enter. Scroll down a little bit. We will take a look at some live data real quick. And what do we see? We see the longs. I've been following this over the last 2 days. The longs, these are basically paper contracts, so to speak, on BitMEX and Bitfinex, where you can short or go long on contracts, and you could even use leverage if you want to get wrecked hard on the way down, or if you want to make a massive profit on the way up. You know, in other words, as long as your bet pans out, is what I should say. Total, $370 million are long right now, 57%. Shorts, $277 million at 42%. I'm just going to say, this again, crypto can surprise us. We could jump up to $5,000 Bitcoin. It could happen. I know that. I understand that. And I play the game, so I know I could get wrecked waiting for it to go down. And it doesn't. I understand. But what usually happens when the longs or the shorts are way outnumbered? The big boys come in, the professionals come in, they call in the Cobra, so to speak, like on Sylvester Stallone, call the Cobra, and he comes in and cleans them out. Oh, we got shorts that are far higher, greater number than longs. We're going to make those short sellers scream. We're going to squeeze them, liquidate their positions, so they'll move the market in the appropriate way, up or down, depending on if they're trying to clean out longs or shorts. So, I'm not saying the market can't go up right now, like a decent amount, not just a little tiny percent. I'm talking a nice little rally. I'm not saying it can't happen because we know it can. My data, including this now, $370 million of longs versus $277 million of shorts, everyone's betting that the market's going to go up. But the professionals, the ones who clean people out over and over again, who typically get it right all the time because they're the ones moving the effing market, are basically going to look at the same thing I just told you right now, shorts versus longs, and decide amongst themselves, are we going to handle business or not? Are we going to let the thing rally? We'll just chill for a bit so that these people really think we're rallying, and then we nail them. I mean, they could do that now. It's already 57 to 42%. So it's just another stat. It's just another stat. Bottom line is we'll find out. And as a trader or whatever, when you play that game, you're going to get wrecked sometimes. The object is kind of like we playing Frogger. Bing, 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 go across the street. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, I just got wrecked. Semi, flat, start over. Do over, okay. Except do over means your portfolio's dropped. Let me try that again. Oh, got nailed again. Portfolio dropped more. You want to ding, 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 all the way across the street. Next level. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, only got wrecked once. Next level, third level now. Right? You want to not get wrecked as much as you make it across the street, so to speak. But there is always risk and reward. You can sit back, you can hodl, and do absolutely nothing and just wait and wait and wait. You can't get wrecked. But you also can't gain any more crypto while you're waiting. And we waited all of 2018 to only find ourselves down at the lowest point ever. Oh, I say ever. In the latest cycle, I should say, to be fair. Obviously. So those of us who say, well, I might split a little chunk of my bag off over here to play this game. I want to take a little risk because I want to add some more to my collection, so to speak. And so that when the bull market does kick in, I've got more. Or you get wrecked too many times, you got less. But hey, I tried and okay, I guess that didn't work out. So all the data that tells me sit out of the market right now hasn't changed. And this is an additional piece of data I've looked at recently that's telling me the same thing. The longs are way up here. The shorts are down here. The longs have way more. 57% of the contracts are longs. 42% of the total contracts, that's both those exchanges, are short. What do the pros come in and do? We see this all the time. They clean out the opposite. They take the opposite bet and they clean people out. So if they don't do it this time, they'll probably do it next time. But typically, they handle business when it's time to handle business. And what I'm seeing right now is that, at some point in the not-so-distant future, they probably should handle business. It could be weeks from now. It could be days from now. I could wake up tomorrow morning before this, this video goes live, and all of a sudden, oh my God, no, it dump happened last night after I did my video, or a pump happened. You know what I mean? But again, that's why I got to turn off a lot of the emotional and what's this guy saying? Just hold on, what's the data saying? And if I'm listening to that guy, is he really looking at some good data? Is he a great chartist? Oh, he is? Okay, what's he think? Why does he think it? Well, let me look at somebody else who might not think the same as him. Why doesn't that guy not think the same as him? I want to hear what he has to say. Oh, okay, he makes a good point too. Now you have to say to yourself, which one of those two guys do I believe? I believe them both because they make a good case and they potentially could both be right. But what do I think based off of what I heard from these guys? Or I'm not sure. Let me go find some more data. I've got this indicator. We've got the Google Trends thing, which is part of this indicator, actually. It's one of the data feeds we use. I've got this. You've got some of these other pretty top-level crypto guys, whether on YouTube, TradingView, telling us, I wouldn't get too excited about a bull run yet, guys. Hold on, And for me, my indicator, honestly, is the only thing I really need to tell me, in my opinion, what to do and not to do. Get out, get in, wait a minute, you know what I mean? We did a move on Bitcoin Cash. It paid off. I got out. I'm sitting. I'm waiting. Because, Bitcoin Cash will dump with the rest of the market when this goes. When it's a down market day. I'm not talking about one or two coins. No, I'm talking, oh, crap. The market just wiped out 15 or 20%. Oh, wow. I'm talking about one of those days. And if I can get a few of those days of year, me and my patrons, honestly, or you guys, I do talk about this on YouTube too sometimes. We'll end the year with more crypto, if we can do this, legitimately and not lose too many times versus winning more times. You want to win. I want to be what win is. Stake in a room. So, anyways, that's it. Great news. Retailer takes it and nothing. Flatline. Wow. Take care.